change the order of operations. Can I even solve a 5 by 5? It takes me about 20 minutes to solve a 5 by 5. I can't solve it. It's just like it takes a very, very long time. Ah, that was almost a sub 6. I mean sub 5. But the last move was, and the stop was a little bit just too slow. Okay, that's not too bad. You didn't have to rotate for that keyboard turn, but oh well. $458, yes! Yes! 588 average. Yes! On Stackmat. Okay, come on, we can get one last good solve. Okay, my Stackmat stopped working. Fuck. Okay, I need to stop inspecting because